Hey! Before we started, please like my video, share it your friends, and subscribe my channel. Thanks. Number 1. Transformers 7: Rise of the Beast. During the 1990s, the Maximals, Predacons, and Terrorcons joined the existing battle on Earth between Autobots and Decepticons.
It was all a dream.
Stand down! I'm not the one to fear, Prime. There is a darkness coming.
It was all a dream. Pull over! I'm not driving! And if you don't know, now you know. And if you don't know, now you know. I'm blowing up like you thought I would. Call it Prince, same number, same hood. It's all good.
Of all the threats, from both your past and future,
It was all a dream.
you've never faced anything like this. Let them come.
And if you don't know, now you know.
This can't be real. This can't be real. Oh, okay, it's real.
Number 2. Indiana Jones 5. Jones is determined to find nefarious activity hidden in their explorative endeavor.
I miss the desert. I miss the sea. And I miss waking up every morning, wondering what wonderful adventure the new day will bring to us.
Those days have come and gone.
Perhaps not.
I don't believe in magic. But a few times in my life, I've seen things I can't explain. And I've come to believe it's not so much what you believe. It's how hard you believe it.
Who is this man?
I'm her godfather.
Related.
Get back!
Number 3. Knights of the Zodiac. When his sister is abducted, a headstrong street orphan named Siyu taps into his hidden powers and is chosen to protect a reincarnated goddess of war who was sent to watch over humanity.
In days of legend, gods walked the earth. Say, what if I told you Athena had returned in human form? and you are destined to become one of her guardian knights.
I'd say your therapist isn't worth this paycheck.
Number 4. Legend of the White Dragon. Frank stars as Eric Reed, a disgraced hero who goes into exile following a horrific event known as the Aftermath, which left a city destroyed.
The White Dragon, also known as Eric Reed, has been discovered alive. I believe it is my duty to bring this man to justice for what he's done to our city. I will not rest. This city will not rest until Eric Reed is held accountable.
Hey guys, hate to interrupt, but I'm kind of getting a weird feedback at.
Where is Eric Reed?
Well, let's see what we're working with.
It's beautiful. I'm gonna shed a tear. It's gonna be a fake tear, but I'm still gonna shed it. Oh, look at it!
Number 5. The Mean One. The plot will primarily focus on the Green Grump living on a mountain above the town of Newville and young Cindy You-Know-Who, whose parents were murdered by the Mean One 20 years before.
Remember that story about Cindy You-Know-Who? When her Christmas was stolen, she knew what to do.
Why, Santa Claus? Why?
But what if I said that's not how it went down?
You gonna be okay? Because we can turn around right now.
No. Poor girl. Her mother was killed. Her mind snapped.
Did you ever find the Christmas killer?
Never got a reliable description of the man.
Dad? He is out there! What if the Christmas killer is back?
This town cannot go through another Christmas killer thing. Not again.
Us folks down in Newville, we liked Christmas a lot. But that thing that lives just north of Newville does not.
What is it?
The Mean One. He's slippery, he's elusive. He's a mean one, that mister.
I'm not gonna be a victim anymore. Time to roast this beast. You're a dead one, mister.
Number 6. Repeater. A hitman confronts local gangs, competing killers, and a crisis of conscience when he takes on a high-stakes open contract to eliminate a hacker who's run afoul of corrupt corporations and powerful men.
Who's paying you?
the hell is John Smith?
He's just another shooter for hire.
I don't work with people I don't know.
You ain't going nowhere.
I need this to go away.
I'll take care of it. What's next?
It's an open contract.
The target is French national Jean Rousseau. He's preparing a data dump that will expose fraud and corruption. Last seen at the Grand Hotel in Tijuana. Discretion is paramount.
Know where he is.
Do whatever it takes.
You got $1 million contract on your head.
Bring me Russo.
I'll let you live.
Nice to see you again, John.
Jesus Christ. Did you all know each other?
Number 7. The Callisto Protocol, who finds himself trapped in Black Iron Prison just as a deadly outbreak occurs, which turns the inmates into zombie-like monsters.
Hope. I feel it slipping away. The fear grips me. But I've got to escape. Every sound, every movement is closing in. This dead moon, I feel like it's been waiting for me. Like it knew I'd end up here. It's not done with me yet. Just one thing to do. Survive.
Number 8. The Last Deal. Black market marijuana dealer Vince is living the high life in Los Angeles, but everything changes when new laws pass making cannabis legal.
We can sell you 200 pounds. We don't really do anything less than that.
Yeah, it's just a big chunk of change.
Well, maybe you're in the wrong business then.
No, I don't think that's the case.
Look, I want to talk to your guy.
My guy?
The big guy, the guy you collect for.
Listen, Vince, you don't want to mess with these dudes.
Yeah, I don't see many more options.
And you're here to borrow some money, yeah?
Yeah. Maybe we can go talk about this in private.
You're amongst friends here.
You've done it all, baby. There's nothing left to prove.
Number 9. The Devil Conspiracy, a powerful biotech company, has breakthrough technology that allows it to clone history's most influential people. Behind this company is a cabal of Satanists who steal the Shroud of Turin, putting them in possession of Jesus Christ's DNA, the ultimate offering to the devil.
The War of Angels. Michael defeated Lucifer when he bound him in hell.
Laura! How's my art historian?
Good. You wanted to show me something?
Shroud of Christ, the world's most famous object and the most sacred. I believe art tells the story of our past and hints at our future. Lucifer would have consumed us all if Michael hadn't stopped him. Pray he never finds his way out.
Stop this desecration!
Stop! He might choose her.
Sir Michael, take my body. Use it to defeat Satan.
Michael, kill him.
No, priest. Father Marconi's dead. I'm just borrowing him for a bit.
Lucifer will finally have a worthy home.
It's why they stole the shroud. They need its DNA.
What's in me? In you, Jesus. A better Jesus.
Have mercy.
This is my responsibility. Hell shall come to earth. Michael! I will return to you as your god! Lucifer!
Have you ever heard the song?
Number 10. As good as dead, Pip is about to head to college, but she is still haunted by the way her last investigation ended.
Oscar wants to fight professionally, and I'm gonna pay you to train him.
Competition.
Well, what I taught you is not for competition.
How can I test myself if I don't compete with others?
Even if you decide to compete, promise me that you won't use the style that I taught you.
There's got to be some connection here. Nobody else fights like that. Oh, you gotta find him.
Your instructor, is he here? This guy.
These guys are looking for Mr. Davis.
Who are they?
Hitman. What do you do to make these guys want to kill you?
I took down their boss and most of his organization. They've been wanting me dead for years.
This man is an elite soldier, and we need this taken care of.
He must be some kind of black Rambo.
Drop the gun or kill your friend.
Let him go and nobody else gets hurt. Don't hold your gun sideways.
Just a little rusty. I seriously.
Number 11. The Old Way Trailer. Retired gunslinger Colton Briggs faces the consequences of his past when the son of a man he murdered arrives to take his revenge. Briggs must take up arms once more after his wife is killed, and is joined by his young daughter.
I want you to understand how good a woman your mama was. She took Colton Briggs, the coldest killer that I've ever met, and she turned him into a family man.
My mama's dead now.
Coming in one way or another.
Tell me the names of the men who did this.
As long as that little girl is alive, there's no room for vengeance.
You're protecting a killer.
From another killer.
Can you teach me how to shoot?
Both of you put your hands behind your back.
Now, Briggs.
Especially that Rossi.
My father wants your gun.
I'll blow her brains all over this valley.
You ain't scared of nothing.
If Briggs decides he's coming, Colton Briggs is coming.
He's here! Sound like he's the one who's scared.
My whole life, I'd seen fear in the eyes of every man I ever met. Please don't kill me.
Let's do this the old way.
Is my father still a good man?
You boys woke up the devil.
Number 12. Emancipation. Peter, a slave, flees a plantation in Louisiana after he was whipped within an inch of his life. He has to outwit cold-blooded hunters and the unforgiving swamps of Louisiana on a torturous journey north.
Give thanks to God. The Lord is with us. What can a mere man do to me?
I will come back to you!
You walk the earth because I let you. I'm your God now.
Slaves are free.
We must get to Baton Rouge through this swamp. Lincoln's army is dead.
There are many ways to die in a swamp. I must get to my family.
What if you don't come back?
Your papa is going to be back. Do not ever stop believing that.
She's persistent. Running, hiding, surviving.
I fight them. They beat me. They whip me. They break the bones in my body more times than I can count. But they never break me.
Number 13. Willow. Enter the world of Willow. Journey to the far corners of your imagination, to a land of myth and magic, where dream and reality live side by side, to a place that never existed, a time that never was.
Evil is coming to destroy us all.
Well, that can't be good.
Elora Danan was destined to save our world. Her true identity was concealed, even from herself.
We need to find her.
Do we, though? Because no one who's gone out there's actually ever come back.
They're putting in time.
To adventure is dangerous. But if you don't die, one day you may truly live.
Hang on. Did you just say that we'd all die?
Yes.
I knew it.
Wish someone told me. I'm really scared of dying.
This is all your fault. What? I just gotta say I'm feeling really energized and optimistic.
Just relax. I am relaxed.
You don't sound relaxed.
The magic's in you. You just have to believe.
What the hell is that?
Don't worry about it.
Willow, original series streaming.
Number 14. Taurus, a rising but troubled musician, searches for the inspiration to record his next song, pushing himself deep into the void.
Do you think rock stars are special people?
I want it to sound far from everything. Like everything's upside down.
I'll seek you out, lay you alive. One more word and you won't survive.
Do you think artists are always on display?
I'm just saying, it sounds like somebody putting a gun to your head and telling you to be happy.
We got you the nicest recording studio in Los Angeles.
I didn't ask for it,
I know you didn't, but we got it for you anyway. You're not doing your job.
I can't watch him every minute.
I don't get why I'm like this.
Maybe you can act more like an employee so I'm not late, cool?
God, I hate you!
Soothe your pain.
Life imitates art.
I won't ease your strain.
Bury me alive, disappear on the ground where they found me before I ever had this career. I'll take you out, flay you alive. One more word and you won't survive.
Number 16. Float. When a vlogger and her crew embark on their annual river float to commemorate the untimely loss of their friend, they are plunged into a life and death battle with a mysterious local, a sinister paranormal force, and their own fears.
Hi guys. So today, we're gonna go on to our annual river trip.
Come on, guys. Let's go. I just think it won't be the same this year without Chewy.
Chewy, we're gonna miss you there, bro.
And he loved this trip more than anyone. So why wouldn't he want us to keep it going?
What's up, bro? We being too loud?
I just came to tell you to watch out if you're planning on floating the river. The river's been taking people, like your friend.
Hi guys. I'm gonna be live streaming all day, so be sure to like, share.
Zola? Zola! Zola!
Oh no, I saw it with my own eyes. There's something in those woods.
You spaz, ghosts aren't real.
Yeah, some people thought that coronavirus wasn't real, and it still killed them.
What the actual fuck? Hello?
You think you're immune from reality. You're not.
Jackson!
There is something in that river.
Number 17. Gale, David Gale, Kevin Spacey, is a man who has tried hard to live by his principles, but in a bizarre twist of fate, this devoted father, popular professor, and respected death penalty opponent finds himself on death row for the rape and murder of fellow activist Constance Holloway.
It feels like it knows me. Like it's calling me.
How long has this been happening?
Ever since I found her.
Your grandmother is? And what did you say her name was?
Dorothy. Dorothy Gale.
Come back. I didn't know she had any family.
Neither did I.
She hasn't said a word in years. I'm afraid a lifetime of psychosis is really taking its toll on her.
Can I?
Sure.
Hi, Dorothy. It's Emily. I'm your granddaughter.
Stay away from us, 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 stay away from us.